Hello, my name is Amparo Montaño Llanes. I am an industrial engineer from ITH. I actually work in a telecommunications company. I started working in this company 8 years ago. At first, I was responsible for equipment and material purchases. A year later, I was promoted to sales area. In my case, the engineer career I chose to study has helped me to grow and develop myself in both departments, purchases and sales. Although engineering is not science, it's considered a professional practice based in exact science as math, physics, and chemistry to develop their practices using proof methods and laws as well. Unfortunately, in many cases, engineering causes a negative impact in the environment like pollution and deforestation, but also has contributed in making human life easier, like the case of Johannes Gutenberg's printer. He invented the process for mass-producing type and used oil-based ink for printing books in less time, or the invention of the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell, allowing long-distance communication. Another important aspect of engineering are the structures and materials used in the construction. For example, in a wall-down building, different types of materials are used like steel, concrete, glass, aluminum, wood and plastic between others. The correct combination of these guarantees a safe and resistant building. As long as external forces that can affect the structures and materials are considered carefully as air, movement, gravity, temperature, weather, and weight. There are also internal forces that can affect such as internal weight known like deadlock. Other types of internal forces are pushing and pulling. Pushing and pulling is making use of another force as well as pressure, which is a force applied by an amount of weight. There is also unexpected stress that can cause critical reaction, and stretching a material will cause tension or compression on the structure of the building. Now, let's talk about gravity that affects all bodies in the planet or out of it. Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body pulls objects toward its center. The force of gravity keeps all of the planets in orbit around the Sun. Every planet has different gravity and affects differently a body's weight depending on their size or mass. For example, if we double the mass and we reduce gravity by 20%, the weight is greater. Or if we increase the mass by 40% and we divide in half gravity, the weight is less. Concluding this topic, I appreciate your attention and special thanks to my teacher Luis Antonio. Have a nice day. Goodbye.